Guys, it's time. I'm ready to say goodbye to my blonde ends, and there was no way I was going to do that without taking you guys through the process on how to do that, okay? The two products that we're going to use is the Demi-Permanent Cream Hair Colors from Wella. One thing about me, if I'm going to put hair color in my curls, I'm going to do it safely, okay? So you're going to need gloves, a bowl, and a developer. Okay, pero mira, I need to explain why I'm using two instead of one. The goal is to go a little bit darker to really cover the blonde for me, so I went in with 3N and 4N for reference if anyone wants to use those colors. Also, I want to talk about the fact that this is safe for all textures. I wouldn't be putting it in my curls if it wasn't, okay? It's infused with shea butter and it's free of ammonia, gluten, and parabens. Girl, I was like, if I'm gonna color my hair, I gotta do it the right way. Terminamos con la aplicación. We're done with applying it. Now we're gonna leave it on for 20 minutes. And girl, after that was done, I was so ready to see what this hair color was like. So I used the shampoo and conditioner from Wella. And y'all, look at the color, but look at the shine, okay? Y todavía tengo mi curl pattern. Like, everything looks great. And guess what? You can find this at Sally Beauty. Don't say I didn't put you on.